Children, class 5th. Today we will be studying lesson number 16. It is simple future and future continuous tense. So now first starting here. Let's get started. How do you think your city will be 100 years from now? Look at this list of things that could happen. With a friend, discuss whether you think these are possible, then add 3 more items to the list. 100 years from now, people will drive flying cars. We will have robots in every house. Buildings will be made of metal. We will wear dresses made from rubber. We will have our own satellites. We will eat food cooked by laser. So what you notice that the verbs used are in the simple future tense. Now we use the future tense to talk about actions that will happen in the future. I will be 12 years old next year. So by verb you come to know whether the tense is of simple tense or past tense or future tense. So here the verb is will be, here also will be. So this is of future tense. They will be performing a play this year. Now simple future tense. So you have got this point that future tense talk about action that will happen in the future. Now coming to simple future tense. Raman will meet you at the airport. They will have breakfast at 8 a.m. So the verbs will meet and will have are in the simple future tense. We use expressions of time like tomorrow, next week or next month with the simple future tense. So we use the simple future tense to talk about an action that will happen later. So we use will oblique shall. Means there can be will also or shall also. Anything you can be there. Will oblique shall plus base form of the verb to form the simple future tense. You know about the form of the simple future tense. Now going to for future time. We also talk about future time using the going to form. Read these sentences. We are going to means sometimes it is not always necessary that there will be will or shall there. Going to can be there in the sentence. We are going to watch the Independence Day parade tomorrow. You see, tomorrow. Some words are there. If they are written, they indicate that the work or the action which will be done in the future time. I am going to wear a red shirt and blue jeans. So going to is showing that the action will be done in the future. Though these sentences use the present continuous verb is oblique are. See here in the present tense we use is or are, but this is not a sentence of present tense because here going to is written and it is telling that the action will be in the future time. They describe action that will happen in the future. We can use am oblique is oblique are going to base form of the word to talk about something that is certain to happen in the near future. So now fill in the blanks with the simple future tense of the given verbs. So Neha will come. Come will be written as will come home to meet me today. Mr. Bakshi will call you in the evening. Please wait for his phone call. The king will choose his favorite son as his heir. The students will perform a dance drama on Ravindra Jayanti. The bakery will shut in an hour. I will eat an hour later. I am not hungry now. I will bring back your books tomorrow. Nisha, will you go to school today? Now fill in the blanks using is oblique am oblique are plus going to with the appropriate verbs from the box. From tomorrow onwards, I am going to exercise for an hour. Diksha is going to study for exams from tomorrow. The train is going to arrive the station tomorrow. I am going to attend meeting in the evening. My father is going to buy me a bike soon. They are going to swim in the pool. Mrs. Kumar is going to discuss a matter with you. The principal is going to punish the offenders. Now, future continuous tenses. The guests will be arriving early. It will be staying with Mansi on Sunday. I will be staying with Mansi on Sunday. So, in these sentences, the verbs talk about actions that have been planned and will continue for some time in the future. Here, the action will be continued for some time in the future. This thing is important. The future continuous tense show an action that will continue for some time in the future. We use will be plus ing form of the verb to form the future continuous tense. Now fill in the blanks with the future continuous form of the verb. The flight will be landing at 5 p.m. The team will be celebrating its victory in the evening. The generals will be training the army for the war. We will be watching the match on our home theatre system. The director will be writing the script for his next film himself. The carpenter will be making new furniture for the office. My mother will be teaching in a new school from next month. John will be meeting Peter in Mumbai next month. They will be traveling across India for 2 months. Now rewrite the following sentences in the future continuous tense. So Kareem will take his grandmother to the doctor. So Kareem will be, you see, in future continuous tense, will be is written. Will be plus ing of the form of the verb. So will be there. He participated in the Paralympic Games. So he will be participating in the Paralympic Games. I bought a new coat from Dubai. I will be buying. Bought will be changed into buying a new coat from Dubai. We took piano lessons on Friday. So we will be taking piano lessons on Friday. The clowns perform many tricks. The clowns will be performing many tricks. Shashank will buy a new cupboard for himself. Shashank will be buying a new cupboard. Tinku collects donations for Diwali celebration at an orphanage. Tinku will be collecting donations for Diwali celebrations at an orphanage. Astha will represent her school in an essay competition. Astha will be representing. Represent will change into representing her school in an essay competition. So this was a chapter. There is one more exercise here. Fill in the blanks with the simple present, simple past to simple future tense of the given verb. Now you have to see the sentence and then you have to see whether you will write the verb of simple present or simple past or simple future. For example, the dog follows its master home every day. From next week, Kabir will sleep. Because it is of future, so will sleep early at night. The baby smiled when it saw its mother. The parcel will arrive soon. So it's of future, so will arrive. Yesterday, we asked the teacher to tell us about India's independence movement. Vikas started studying for his exam from last week. Rupam jumped in surprise when he saw an eagle at his window. Jumped. It is of simple past. We will go on a long holiday in December because it is of future. Because he will go in December, no? So that's why. So this is how you see. Now complete the sentences. Use simple future tense. If we plant trees regularly, it will help to protect the environment. If you go to sleep on time, You will feel fresh in the morning. If you don't reach school on time, you will not be allowed to enter. If we help other people, they will help us too. If we eat too much junk food, we will have indigestion. If we study grammar, we will feel more confident while writing. So this was a lesson number 16. Thank you.